अभी आपको बराह रास्त चलते हैं इस वक्त वज़ीर इत्तलात अता तारड़ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Our relationship in culture and history and also language, and I believe that there's a lot of common terminologies in both our languages which also bring us closer. I have the responsibility as Minister for Information and Culture both to promote not only entertainment but to promote the deep strategic ties we have between Pakistan and Kazakhstan. As you rightly mentioned, our Deputy Prime Minister was in Astana just a few days back and had a very meaningful dialogue with your Foreign Minister, with the dignitaries present there. Since I've taken over as the Minister for Information and Culture, we have started to promote the screening of films, and we are moving towards production of films. And I would deeply like to encourage our private sector to come forward, because we in Pakistan used to take great pride in the dramas that we used to produce, which used to be watched the world over. We in Pakistan used to take great pride in the songs and films we used to produce, and they were also very famous the world over. We have a great legacy that I have inherited as the Minister for Information and Culture, and this legacy has great historic value. And I believe that my mission, being a minister, would be to revive the legacy that we once had and promote cooperation between the two countries. And I've read the brief of Kazakh Khanate, the Golden Throne, and I tell you that this will be very popular in Pakistan if we can come to some sort of agreement. If Pakistan television can air this in Urdu, I think it will be very popular, and it will not only be popular, it will help us to bring our people together, the people of both countries together, and to understand each other's cultures and diversity on better terms. So as Minister for Information and Culture, I would like to assure you, Excellency, that I would take every step to promote the cultural ties between our countries, and I would want to take this venture forward and to air it on Pakistan television. And as you rightly mentioned, that we have had memorandum of understandings in the past regarding media cooperation, I would like to see the promotion going forward, this cooperation going forward, and more exchanges taking place between the two countries, be it in the field of media, be it in the field of culture, be it in the field of historical ties between the two countries.
वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात अता तारड़ का फिल्म और कल्चर की तकरीब से खिताब। उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे एहसास है कि मैं इस तकरीब में शिरकत कर रहा हूँ।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।